Zenith offers products that enhance an individual's experience, creating spaces that are functional, appealing and forward-thinking. We all know the office landscape and the nature of work has changed. There are great opportunities for organisations to reimagine their workplace, creating working environments which promote diversity, social connection and well-being. The furniture and layout is the first thing you see when you walk through the door. Underneath these workstations is often a different story, one where you are confronted with unsightly and disorganised cables. Introducing Glovebox. This is a revolutionary cable management system that conceals the wiring and creates an exceptionally clean environment which is unique to the marketplace. The Glovebox provides a desirable solution for height-adjustable desks, bringing cables neatly from the duct up to the desktop, and the retractable cable tractor keeps soft wiring and data cable completely hidden from view. Power and data outlets are mounted to the underside of each worktop in a uniquely designed mounting bracket, and all the excess cable is stored in Glovebox. The user now has a tidy and functional solution. Zenith provides inventive solutions through collaboration and years of experience to assist organisations to create innovative and functional work environments, which measure up to their core philosophy about blending aesthetics and functionality. This is evident in the design of Glovebox. Zenith invites you to discover more about Glovebox, a product that can transform itself to meet the changing requirements of organisations, end users, and one that supports changing technologies.